Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Hello AI failed reads error. So let's get started. So here see here the Hello AI. So I will just open it. So to fix it, it is very easy. So first make sure you have logged in into your account. Then here we have to clear the existing data. Okay. So to do that, just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So at here you have to go, just click on storage. Click on here at clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then you have to open it again. If it is fixed, then nice. If it does not, then check for an update. Just go to the search bar, search for Hio AI app. So from here click on this and click on update button and update the app and you can fix it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.